Oh yeah, baby. Welcome to Chef Bourque's Cajun Kitchen. Hot dang. Hey, look here. Today, making something special. Haven't made it in quite a while. But it's a cool day, a little windy, and I think I'm going to make it, Chef. We're going to make a gravy, a beautiful gravy. And we're going to use ingredients they used in the old days. You know, they had tomatoes, they had bell peppers, they had celery, they had garlic they planted some onions. You know, the things what I'm going to use are the things that they used to have in the old days. And that's what we're going to use. Chef, you can't beat it. Hey, this Chef Bourque. If it's windy out here, excuse the wind, it's Mother Nature. I might have to even resort to playing some music if it's too windy. Anyway, talk to you later. Hot dang, bye-bye. All right, first thing I've done is put a quarter of a cup of cooking oil in my pot. Now, let it get hot. In the meantime, I'm going to throw my onions in there. I've got one medium-sized onion, chopped. I want to get this rascal to cooking down a little bit. Add some celery in there. I've got 2 stalks of celery, chopped. Bell pepper. I've got a half of a medium bell pepper. Now I want to add garlic. I've got 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Now I'm putting tomatoes. I've got 2 chopped up Roma tomatoes. I say chopped, I mean like diced in the maybe ½ inch, quarter-inch size pieces. Now we're going to sweat those tomatoes down. You see how it kind of sweated down there? Everything's real soft, soft. Tomatoes are falling apart. Now I'm going to put 8 ounces of tomato sauce. And 8 ounces of water. Parsley, 6 sprigs of parsley, all chopped up. Got 6 little stems of green onions. 6 stems of green onions, yeah. Now I might need a little more water after a while, but I will not use more than that little bottle of water right there. Chili powder. It's about a half a teaspoon. Not making chili. Paprika. Paprika. I like my paprika. About maybe a teaspoon of paprika. God dang, that smells good. Ooh-wee. Put a little salt. Salt's on you. However salt you want to put on there, that's up to you. Some people like a lot of salt, some don't like a lot of salt. It's your call. I put what I think I need to start it, and then I work with it in the final stages. A little bit more water. It's a 16 ounce here. So I probably got about maybe 10 ounces in there. And I'm gonna let my sauce cook. If you want to add cayenne, you can add cayenne pepper at this time. Alright, this has been cooking about an hour and a half. So I'm going to shut it down. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, this is Chef Bourque. I'll talk with you later. Hot dang. Don't forget to subscribe, and you got your thumbs up. Aye, oh yes.